Two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to the ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. We have to find the acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity, or g. First we draw the diagram, label the masses of the objects and their respective gravitational forces, which is mass into g, label the tension on the string and the acceleration on the pulley. Since A is the acceleration on the pulley, the 6 kg weight will accelerate at 6A force, and the force applied on the 4 kg mass will be 4A. Now we simply have to form the equations. If the force is in the same direction, we'll add, and if the force is in an opposite direction, we'll subtract. So we get 6g minus t is equal to 6a, and t minus 4g is equal to 4a. We'll add both these equations to cancel out t, and our resulting equation is 2g is equal to 10a. So a simply comes out to be g by 5 meter per second square. So our solution is option number 1.